When we say atypical, we refer to individuals who fall outside the spectrum of neurotypicals. The underlying mechanism that governs the fundamental need of humor.
Most of it I've never heard before. Like I always learn a lot when he's on. I want to introduce Mr. Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First.
Thank you for having me out.
What?
Inputs, right? The concept of the theory is called linguistic organic search engine theory, right?
Psychology for languages?
Not psycho and sociolinguistics, but more job by sort of this juxtaposition of incongruity.
Whoa, the all-encompassing Jimmy Falcon himself.
Now I'm seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this?